Hi guys, my name is Onge. Today I want to show you how I make my delicious baked omelets. So the first thing I will do here is to chop my vegetables. So I have broccoli, I have peppers, I have red onion, and I have some spices. I have garlic and I have my eggs. So I'm gonna chop my full onion into very small pieces. Okay, and then on my frying pan I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice, or you can even add unsalted butter if you like. And then I will add my chopped onions and fry them up. And then I will chop my colorful peppers. You can use any pepper. So these are actually not hot. I know they look like chilies, but they're not hot, and they just add a pop of color to my food. They're so delicious. Try them out. Okay, and then I will chop my broccoli into small pieces, and I will add it to my onion with those peppers. Okay, but first, before I add those vegetables, I will just add about half a teaspoon of garlic to my onion and fry that for about a minute or two, and then add everything else and fry everything all together. Okay, so at this point I have added my chicken fillets. I just chopped one chicken fillet into small pieces, and then you can add any seasoning of your choice. So here I added paprika, some herbs, salt to taste, pepper, coriander. You can use any spice that you enjoy. Okay, so here I am cracking my eggs. I cracked, I think, about 8 eggs, and then I have added aromat to taste. If you don't like aromat, you can use salt and pepper as well. And then I've added my parmesan cheese, and then I mix all of that up, and then I will take everything that I was frying and put it back here and mix all together. You can also add milk to make your omelette more fluffy, but it's totally optional. Okay, so after mixing this up, I will just put it in my muffin tray, and I will bake it for 20 minutes on 180 degrees, and then after that it will be ready for us to take in. It is so delicious. If you try it, please let me know on the comment section below. Please also check out my playlist for more videos, and until next time, thank you, bye.